Urgent alert from the World Health Organization. A new health crisis is upon us. The WHO has announced that the recent surge in Mpox cases, particularly in the Democratic Republic of Congo and neighboring African countries, is now a public health emergency of international concern. Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, the WHO Director General, highlighted the emergence of a new Mpox strain, Clade 1b, which is spreading rapidly and is primarily transmitted through sexual contact. This new strain has been detected in Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda and Uganda, raising alarms about its potential to spread even further. The WHO is calling for a coordinated global response to contain this outbreak and prevent further loss of life. They are working closely with affected countries and vaccine manufacturers to ensure equitable access to vaccines and essential medical tools. Stay informed